You have got to try these delicious curry chicken wings. Here's how to make it. So I'm going to start by preparing my ingredients. So first of all, I'm going to slice up half of a medium brown onion, chop up 1 spring onion stalk, dice up around 2 to 3 garlic cloves. I always start by smashing them because it just makes it easier to dice up. Dice up about ½ inch of ginger. And of course, you can't forget a little bit of Scotch bonnet. Now, I'm going to put all of these chopped vegetables to the side and save them for later. Separately, I'm going to also chop up around 3/4 of a medium potato and also 1 medium carrot. Again, I'm going to chuck these in a bowl and save them for later. Finally, we're getting onto the wings. So here I've got around 800 grams of chicken wings and I'm just going to chop them in half. Then we're going to start seasoning them. I've got some salt, some black pepper, some garlic granules, some pimento, some all-purpose, some chicken seasoning, some curry powder, of course, and a bit of olive oil, which just is going to help us massage this all into our chicken. Then I add in those vegetables that I chopped earlier on. I chuck in some thyme as well, and then I'm just going to use some gloves and massage this all together. I like to use my gloves when I'm making curry because I'm trying to keep my nails cute. Now I've got a pan and I'm just going to add a bit of oil to the pan, and then I'm going to burn my curry powder. And that's just by cooking it down in the oil for a few minutes. I'm going to start then by sauteing that garlic, and then I'm going to add in my chicken wings and just brown them on both sides. Now you want your pan and your oil to be nice and hot, as that's how you're going to get these chicken wings nice and brown on both sides. Once you've browned them, you want to re-add in your vegetables and a bit of water until the chicken wings are just about covered. So I covered this with foil, but that's just because I don't have a lid for this pan. But you basically want to cover your pan and cook it for 30 minutes on a hot temperature. After these 30 minutes have passed is when you're going to chuck in your potatoes and carrots. And the potatoes in particular are useful for thickening up the sauce. Again, we're just going to cook this on a hot temperature for about 15 more minutes. I also add in a tiny bit more curry powder and a bit of all-purpose to taste. Serve this with some rice, garnish it with some parsley, and enjoy. As you can see, this is a very quick and easy recipe that you can utilize for your dinner any day of the week. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.